Hey guys, this is Dipti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this party look which is perfect for any season. So let's get started. So starting with the face primer, which is my favorite one for Salicare oil, and I'm gonna use a few drops all over my face. Just a few drops are enough. This oil gonna give the base for our foundation, and it's like very good moisture. And now I'm gonna use Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, which is very affordable and very good quality. So I'm gonna put small dots all over my face. This way is easy for me, and if you are a beginner, use this way. And now I'm blending the foundation using this beauty sponge. It's very easy to blend foundation using a sponge rather using brush, so I love to use sponge. And just slowly blending the foundation. What do you think? This shade is little lighter for me. I think so, but finding the shade is like really tough. But yeah, I have, and let's see. So I almost blended the foundation. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use this LA concealer to conceal my face, and I'll mention all the details in my description. And I'm using this medium shade and putting under eyes. If you have a dark circle, this concealer is very good, and it's very affordable as well. And on my forehead, and on top of my nose, and then here. And now again blending using this sponge. You can see it's easy to blend using the sponge. And now I have this Anastasia brow pomade, which I'm gonna use to define my brows. My shade is ebony, and I like this shape, so I have defined my brows. Now finishing my other brow, starting from so I'm gonna use same concealer again just to pop out the brows, and using my finger or brush you can blend the concealer. Now I have this Morphe neutral eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this pink shade and just blending slowly from outer corner of eyelid. I love this shade, like very nude shades. I'm just blending from outer side. And now I'm gonna take little darker shade of pink and blending from inside. These shades are very pretty, like simple nude shades. So now I'm gonna take this orange shimmer color and gonna put inner corner of my eyelid. So it's just like pink orange eyeshadow we're gonna make. And now I'm just using this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, which is very good. I'm not using lashes. like extended lashes. So I'm just using mascara, and now I have this NYX counter kit which I'm gonna use to counter my face. Here my hairline, using the brown shade of counter kit, and now on my cheekbone. So it's just gonna give a shape to our face. Hairline and cheekbone we have to counter, and now I'm gonna counter my nose using the same brown shade. I love to use finger, it's just easy to blend. So I'm drawing the lines and blending it slowly. So it's just gonna sharpen the nose. Now I'm gonna use this NYX blush, which is my favorite one. And if I love to smile and put blush because it's easy, just you can put easily. Now I have this makeup revolution highlighter kit. They have so many colors, but today it's a party look, so I'm gonna use this purple highlighter. It's gonna pop. Look at that, so beautiful this color. Just gonna perfect for any party function. And now I'm using highlighter on top of my nose to pop out at the nose. And now using this NYX lip liner, which is dark pink shade. I'll mention the shade in details. So I'm using this liner. Yeah, so I'm using the matte lip from NYX, which color is pink, and this combination of dark lip liner and pink shade of lipstick is very beautiful. I love this combination. So yeah. Yeah, we are almost done. And yeah, my eyeliner is from L'Oreal. So yeah, we have done. So this is the full face. Yeah, we are done. Finish. And I really hope so you guys like this look. So this is the final look, guys. I basically have changed my dress, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a big thumbs up. I'll be very happy. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.